Sawubona mngani. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to ask an important question. What is this? Yini logo. What is this? Yini logo. So, if you see something and you do not know the name in Siswati, you can always say yini logo. 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 You can always ask yini logo and someone will tell you the name of the thing or the item. Okay, so let's practice together using yini logo. And the expectation is when we say yini logo, someone would give us a Siswati name. Okay, so I have a basket here with some items and we're going to ask yini logo to learn the names of the items in the basket. Okay, so here is my basket. So I am going to pull out an item and we are going to say together yini logo. Yini logo. Yimbali. This is a flower. Yimbali. Okay. Let's ask the name of something else. Yini logo. Yincwadzi. It's a book. Yincwadzi. Yini logo. Yincwadzi. Ooh, here's another item. Yini logo. Yini logo. Ngemafutha. Well, this is a little confusing because the same word for emafutha is the same word we use in the kitchen when we're talking about the oil that we use in the kitchen. It's the same word, emafutha. So for these, we will say emafutha ekugcobisa. Ngemafutha ekugcobisa. This is lotion for the body. This is lotion for the body. Ngemafutha ekugcobisa. Let's look at another item. Oh, that's a big item. Okay, let's ask, what is this in Siswati? Ready? Yini logo. Yini logo. Sikwama, it's a bag. Sikwama, it's a bag. Okay, let's keep asking. Asibute, let's ask. Yini logo. Yini logo. Ligamo, it's a comb. Ligamo, it's a comb. Ligamo. Okay, let's keep going. Yini logo. Yini logo. Yincwadzi. Yincwadzi. It's a book. Yincwadzi. Okay, last item. Yini logo. Yini logo. It's a shoe. Sicatfulo. Sicatfulo. It's a shoe. Sicatfulo. Okay. So now you know how to ask the name of things. You can simply say yini logo. Yini logo. Yini logo. Yini logo. Yini logo. Make sure to practice your new sentence this week. Yini logo. I'll see you next time. Ngitagubona next time. Sala kahle. Bye bye.